What is up you guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen Journal and we are still in Zurich, Switzerland, and right now we are going to visit the chocolate factory. So this is Lindt, it's a Zurich branded company and this is the factory, and I'm going to have a tour around it and try a lot of chocolate of course, and even bring some home. So there it is, Lindt and Sprungli, and you can actually smell the chocolate from outside. So I just have to wait for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go in. So in this area behind me you can actually taste the chocolate. So we're going to taste a lot. Best museum ever. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.